We're here at Lugano 2025, and we're excited to share some of the interim results of a phase 2 multi-center trial using a CAR T-cell product called Zamtocabtagene autoleucel. This is a dual targeted CAR, so it binds not only CD19 but also CD20. What's unique about this product is the manufacturing. It uses the closed manufacturing process with a fresh in, fresh out delivery system. And so this was a phase 2 study in third or later line diffuse large B-cell lymphoma. And we shared interim results from 59 treated patients as part of a sort of a feasibility endpoint, and the efficacy looked pretty promising. Overall response rate of 71%, CR rate of 55%, and we have 6 month PFS of 55%. We need to follow the patients longer, so we get 1 and later line progression-free survival. And what was exciting also is from a tolerability standpoint, patients did really well. There was no grade 3 or higher CRS, and less than 5% of patients had grade 3 or higher ICANS. With this novel manufacturing process, patients were able to really get a product really in a vein to vein of 12 to 14 days because it's a fresh in, fresh out with lymphodepletion starting during the manufacturing process. And so no patient died while waiting to get to CAR T. And so we think it's an exciting platform. During the same session, we saw 3 other 2019 CARs being developed, and really all of them showed a pattern of high efficacy. And so I'm excited to think that potentially dual targeted CAR may be that next innovation in CAR T-cell therapy from our current single targeted CD19 CARs. But time will tell, and we look forward to share data in the future.